Wow. What's your name?
My name is Priyanka.
Priyanka. Start career, sir. Uh, Good evening. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So I have Priyanka with me, and she has a company, THB Technologies. So this is about healthcare and other sectors. Priyanka will tell us about herself. So you're an engineer.
No, I'm Priyanka Jindal. I'm pre-sales head at THP. I'm a part of sales team. So I do client onboarding.
So what is the company? What is this THB? How you're into AI?
Sure. So THB is Technology, Healthcare and Big Data Analytics. We are an 8-year-old company established in 2015. We are headquartered in Gurugram and Dubai. So we deal with healthcare providers, starting from hospitals to diagnostic chains. We actually make use of AI to bring in the clinical pathways which are AI generated for hospitals to nudge their patients basis that. So the hospitals and the diagnostic chains can actually utilize our expertise, our AI-driven technology to nudge their patients in a hyper-personalized manner, creating a journey for them.
So is there any hospital in India as of now who are using this?
Yes, we are working with
Which
Max
are the
hospitals.
okay? You're working with Max
Yes.
all over India.
Yes.
Okay, so this for them, suppose the application. So, like, how much they have to pay per year, or is it? What's the model? If you can tell
So
us.
yes, so it's a subscription-based model. So for different products, there are different subscriptions. So there's a product known as Doctor Referral Program. So in that one, there is a subscription based on every doctor. So they have to pay per doctor. And similarly, we have another application which is known as OPIP in a box. So there we have a part called as counselor application. So there they need to pay per counselor. So it all depends on the kind of product they are taking from us and getting it implemented at their organization.
And since you're marketing, so we want to know, understand the brain behind this company. So, who's the person? Who's the founder?
So there are three co-founders here. One is Mr. Akansh Kurana, he's the group CEO. Another is Mr. Rajesh Pacha, he's the CTO. And another is Ms. Kritika Tandon, she's taking care of all the operations.
So they're engineers.
They're all consultants.
They're consultants. So they're not present today.
No,
We get
unfortunately.
to meet them afterwards. So I think we'll end it at this. This is Sanjay Agarwal signing off. Thank you. Take my number and give me a card or something.
My card is actually over.
Take your number, share me a WhatsApp.
Sure.
Because it's being recorded there, no?
Yeah.
So I